Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and today we are diving into something we all dream about: making money while you sleep. Yes, we are talking about passive income. It is the kind of income that keeps flowing without constant effort once you have set it up. So, if you are looking for ways to boost your earnings, stick around as we explore passive income ideas you can start today. Hey, before we jump into the ideas, let's quickly talk about what passive income actually is. It is the opposite of active income, where you trade your time for money. Think 9 to 5 jobs or freelancing. With passive income, you might invest time, effort, or money upfront, but once it is set up, it can continue to bring in cash without much ongoing effort. Sounds perfect, right? Well, let's be real. No passive income streams is 100% effortless. But once you build it, it definitely eases financial pressure. First up, one of the most well-known passive income streams, real estate investing. Don't worry, you don't have to buy a massive apartment complex to get started. There are smaller, manageable ways to break into real estate, like renting out a single room, buying property through real estate investment trusts, or even doing Airbnb. Renting out property. If you have extra space, renting it out can be a solid income stream. You can even start with something as simple as renting a room in your house. Of course, there's our maintenance and tenant management, but once that's sorted, it can provide consistent income. Not ready to buy a property? You can invest in real estate investing trusts, which allows you to invest in real estate without the need to manage any physical property. Another way is to rent out your space through Airbnb. You could turn your vacation home or even a spare room into a money maker. Just make sure you know your local laws regarding short-term rentals. Next up, let's talk about dividend stocks. If you are interested in the stock market, this is the great way to generate passive income. You buy shares of companies that regularly pay out a portion of their earnings to investors. Over time, these dividend payments can add up. Choosing the right stock. To get started, you want to look for companies with a strong history of paying consistent dividends. These are usually larger and established companies. Reinvesting dividends. One smart strategy is reinvesting your dividends back into the stock, so you can increase your investment without adding any more money out of pocket. Risk involved. Of course, the stock market is not without risk, so make sure to do your research before investing. The next idea is perfect for the creative types: selling digital products and courses. Have a particular skill or expertise? You can create and sell online courses, ebooks, or templates. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare allows you to create and sell courses on anything from cooking to coding. You just need to create your content once, and then it becomes a passive income source. If writing is more your style, consider writing an ebook. You can sell it on Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, or other platforms. Designers can create templates, planners, or stock images and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Now, let's talk affiliate marketing. One of the most accessible ways to generate passive income with affiliate marketing. You promote products or services through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. Choosing a niche. It is important to pick a niche you are genuinely interested in. This makes creating content around those products much easier and more authentic. Affiliate programs. There are plenty of affiliate programs, from Amazon Associates to specialized programs like ClickBank or Share a Sale. You will need to sign up for these platforms, pick the products you want to promote, and start creating content around them. Content creation. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you will need to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and motivates them to click your affiliate links. Next, we have peer-to-peer lending. It's where you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses through platforms like LendingClub or Prosper, and you earn interest on your loan. How it works. These platforms connect borrowers with lenders, and you earn passive income through the interest payment. Risk and return. Of course, there is a risk involved, as some borrowers may default, but you can reduce that by diversifying your investments across multiple loans. Getting started. You can start with a little as few $100s, making it accessible to most people. Believe it or not, starting your YouTube channel can also become a great source of passive income. Once your videos are monetized, they can generate ad revenue, especially if you create evergreen content that people watch long after you post it. Evergreen content. Focus on creating content that stays relevant, like tutorials, reviews, or informational videos, rather than just monetization. Once you hit YouTube's requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from other revenue streams. You can also earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own digital products. Lastly, while it is not the most lucrative, high-yield saving accounts are one of the simplest passive income strategies. These accounts pay higher interest than traditional saving accounts, and your money is still accessible. Pros and cons. The biggest advantage is that it is very low-risk way to earn extra cash. The downside is that returns are relatively modest compared to other investments. Started. Simply look for online bank offering high interest rates compared to the options and open. So there you have it. These are just few passive income ideas that you can start today. Whether you want to invest in real estate, create digital products, or start a YouTube channel, opportunities are out there. Remember, passive income does not mean no work. It just means setting things up so your money can work for you. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you are most excited about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.